fishing, take him fishing.
I don't mean to preach a sermon, but if you've got a son, take him fishing, take him fishing, be his buddy while he's young. Time goes swiftly, fleeting by us. Don't spend all your time with men. Take him fishing, take him fishing, if you want him for a friend. I was young and so ambitious, out to climb that ladder of success. Well, I've done it, I guess. I gave my family everything, everything but togetherness. You know, kids grow up so fast, so very fast. Pretty soon they're gone, raising families of their own. So don't you leave behind a great long list of the fun you and your boy missed. Well, I never had time for pleasure. Now my son is far away, and I'm wishing we'd gone fishing every day.
Take him fishing, take him fishing.
Yes, as I look back, I wish we'd gone fishing every day.